Meaning of X-directory.
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 X-directory. X-directory is a term used in the British telecommunications industry to indicate that a residential or business telephone number is not listed in the public phone book or directory. This means that the number is only available to those who already have it, such as friends, family, or business associates who have been given the number directly. If someone attempts to look up an X-directory number in a phone book or online directory, they will not find it listed. This privacy measure is often chosen by individuals or companies who wish to keep their contact information private.